Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix my headphones aren't working on PC. Chapter 1. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC from services. To start, enter Services in the search box. Open Windows Services. Here, double-click on the Service Performance Logs and Alerts. After that, in the Startup Type field, set the Automatic option. Click Start to activate this service. You can apply the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC from system configuration. To start, enter System in the search box. Click on System. Then click on the Advanced System setting line. In this window, you are going to go to the Hardware tab. Click on Device Installation Settings. Check or activate that the option is not the one that is configured. Click Save Changes. Close the window. Chapter 3. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC, updating the driver automatically. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Here, in the section Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Finally, click on Search automatically for drivers and wait to see if there are any updates. Chapter 4. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC, updating the driver manually. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. After this, in the section Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Now click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You are going to select the desired driver, and when you click Next, it will be necessary to click Yes to confirm. Wait for this driver to be installed. Chapter 5. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC, adjusting volume. To start, open Settings from the Start menu. After that, in the System section, click on Sound. Here, adjust the volume to the desired level in the Output section using the slider bar. Chapter 6. How to fix my headphones aren't working on PC, checking status. To start, enter Sounds in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. After this, in the Playback tab, check that the device you use is the default one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.